Welcome to St. Augustine Catholic Elementary School.
We want to show you why our school is a welcoming, caring, respectful, and safe place for learning. St. Augustine is a small school, and this allows students to form close relationships with staff. We know we can ask any of the adults in our building for help. The needs of students are met by a team of caring educators, and we feel supported no matter what. As you enter our halls and classes, you will see examples of collaboration, independence, cooperation, problem solving, and critical thinking. Our community is culturally diverse, and we honor and celebrate this.
Kindergarten is an important start to your child's education and is where a lifelong love for learning begins. In these exciting play-based classrooms, children will explore literacy, numeracy, physical education, and wellness. Outdoor play is another important part of our day. Children are offered opportunities to explore centers and hands-on activities. This fosters curiosity for learning, problem-solving skills, and many ways to make new friends as we learn. Our school is grounded in a faith-based learning environment and follows Catholic traditions, which helps build a strong sense of community. We aim to ensure the well-being of all students and to provide a hopeful place for families. Through prayer, reflection, and action, God is present with us throughout our school day. We have a close relationship with St. Agnes Parish, and we look forward to classroom visits, prayer, and celebrating together.
Our gym is a hub for movement and physical literacy. It's where we play games and learn different sports skills. The gym is also where we learn about the importance of keeping our bodies active and healthy. Physical literacy is encouraged throughout the school. We have lunchtime sports club throughout the year, and our supportive school council pays for students to have the chance to learn how to skate, swim, ski, and more.
Our school is very lucky to have a music specialist who teaches students from kindergarten to grade 6. We learn to play recorders, drums, orff instruments, and handbells, to name a few. Our music program allows our school to include musical opportunities through liturgical celebrations and concerts. Our school has a fantastic library space with many books that students can enjoy. We also use this space for presentations, group work, and collaboration with our buddies from other grades.
We have a sensory room and spaces for self-regulation. And a multidisciplinary team that works together with our teachers to support all children.
Plus, we use technology like Chromebooks and iPads to enhance our learning across all the grades. We have a snack program for all of our students, and we are fortunate to have on-site childcare, which is convenient for many of our families.
So why should you choose St. Augustine?
Here are some reasons why.
I like St. Augustine because all the staff and students are all amazing. I feel safe and that God is everywhere where I go, and everyone has a kind and loving heart.
At St. Augustine, it feels like a second home.
The teachers and staff at St. Augustine are so nice, kind, caring, respectful, and sweet.
St. Augustine is a great school because we love God and we are beautiful in our own way.
At St. Augustine, we are growing together in hope for all children, and we can't wait to welcome your family to our school community.
Please call for more information or to set up a personalized tour of our school.
Bye!